All right, how to change the blade on a DeWalt table saw, or about any table saw for that fact. First and foremost, unplug it. Second, look around the rim, see if there's some tools for you. On this model, they're right here on the side. Second, there'll be a little click right here to take the top out. Then you want to crank it all the way up. Put this one on the outside, that way. This one goes on the inside. There's a little nut in there that you gotta take off. Now, let's get you a new blade over here. Make sure the teeth are pointed towards you if you're standing in front of the saw, or pointed toward the way it rotates. Put your little pieces back on. Tighten that back up. Put your guide back on. Be sure to lock it back in place. Put these back, you'll need them again. Plug her back in.